60 UK mechanics. One question. What SUV do you actually drive? Not a single premium badge in the answers. These are the professionals who see every fault, every repair bill, and every broken promise a manufacturer makes. 7 SUVs kept appearing. No BMW, no Mercedes, no Audi. Here are the 7 best SUVs in the UK that mechanics trust with their own money. Number 7. The Toyota Yaris Cross Hybrid. Nobody walks into a Toyota dealership expecting to be surprised. That is precisely the point. The Yaris Cross does not surprise anyone. It just works every single day without complaint. What Car 2025 Reliability Survey found only 10% of Yaris Cross owners reported any fault. Of those, virtually every problem was fixed the same day. Not one owner was charged a penny for repairs. In a small SUV segment full of cars generating repeat workshop visits, that fault profile stands completely apart. The powertrain is why mechanics trust it. The 1.5-litre 3-cylinder hybrid carries no turbocharger to fail, no diesel particulate filter to block, no dual clutch transmission to rebuild. Every major component that generates 4-figure repair bills in rival SUVs simply doesn't exist underneath this car. Toyota did not accidentally build a reliable hybrid system. They have been refining the same fundamental architecture since 1997. The Yaris Cross is the latest product of that refinement applied to a family SUV. The warranty reinforces everything the reliability data already says. 10 years of manufacturer coverage, extended free at every Toyota dealer service. A Yaris Cross bought today carries protection into the mid-2030s. No other non-premium SUV at this price point comes close to that commitment. Starting from £26,875, real-world fuel economy consistently hitting 60 miles per gallon in mixed UK driving, near zero repair bills. Mechanics do not recommend this car because it is exciting. They recommend it because it never appears on their ramp. Number 6. The Hyundai Tucson petrol hybrid. Korean car manufacturing has changed dramatically in the last decade. Hyundai is not the brand it was. The data coming back from real UK owners is confirming something that mechanics who work on these cars already know. Hyundai has closed the reliability gap with Japanese brands, and in some areas overtaken them entirely. The proof is not marketing. The Hyundai Santa Fe achieved a perfect 100% reliability rating in What Car 2025 survey. The Tucson sits on the same platform with the same hybrid powertrain architecture. That result matters for every Tucson on the road. Warranty-wise scores the Tucson at 71 out of 100 across 180,000 real UK repair claims, with faults typically not appearing until 68,000 miles and 7 years of ownership. For context, most premium SUV rivals are generating expensive repair bills well before that mileage. Mechanics notice the difference in their weekly workload. The petrol hybrid is the specific version UK mechanics recommend. What Car survey data shows petrol hybrid Tucson significantly outperforming diesel variants. No diesel particulate filter, no AdBlue system, no EGR valve failures at 60,000 miles. The hybrid eliminates every fault category that makes diesel family SUVs expensive past their warranty period. 5-year unlimited mileage warranty as standard. The Tucson outsold the Volkswagen Tiguan and Kia Sportage in the UK last year, a market verdict that the reliability data from 32,000 real owners consistently validates, starting from £31,995. The Tucson is not the flashiest choice, it is the correct one. Number 5. The Honda ZR-V Hybrid. Most UK buyers have never heard of it. Most UK mechanics have. That gap is exactly where the opportunity lives. Honda was named the most reliable manufacturer in the 2025 What Car Reliability Survey. Not second, not joint first, the most reliable. A 96.6% overall rating across 32,493 owners and 227 models, beating every other manufacturer, including Toyota. That is the brand reputation sitting underneath the ZR-V. And the UK buying public has barely noticed this car exists yet, which means the waiting lists, the inflated prices, and the overcrowded forecourts that follow genuine reliability, recognition have not arrived yet. The 2.0-litre self-charging hybrid carries no turbocharger, no diesel complexity, no dual-clutch transmission. UK mechanics describe it as Honda applying 25 years of hybrid engineering lessons into a compact SUV that the mainstream market walked straight past on the way to a Ford Kuga. The powertrain that makes the CR-V one of the most trusted family SUVs in the UK sits inside a smaller, more accessible package at a lower entry price. Honda resisted the full touchscreen trend. Physical climate controls, real audio buttons, an infotainment system designed to work rather than impress. Every system that generates the repeat software faults mechanics see weekly from rival compact SUVs was deliberately kept simple. That decision shows up directly in the ownership data. Starting from £34,995, the ZR-V is the compact SUV that mechanics point buyers towards when they want CR-V reliability without CR-V money. The market has not caught up yet. That is the advantage right now. Number 4. The Nissan Qashqai Petrol. 15 consecutive years as one of the UK's best-selling family SUV, most buyers choose it because it is familiar. Mechanics recommend it for a completely different reason. What Car 2025 reliability survey found only 7% of second-generation Qashqai owners reported any fault. Every single problem was fixed in a day or less. Nissan covered every cost, 0 unexpected bills. For a family SUV sitting in one of the most competitive and fault-prone segments in the UK market, that is a reliability performance that stops mechanics mid-conversation. The improvement from previous generations is not accidental. UK mechanics directly attribute it to two decisions Nissan made: removing diesel variants from the lineup entirely and simplifying the powertrain. The 1.3-litre mild hybrid petrol carries no DPF, no AdBlue, no complex hybrid battery management. Any independent garage in the UK can service it without specialist equipment. Parts cost a fraction of equivalent premium brand components. Labour times are short. The ownership arithmetic works at every stage. The manufacturing story reinforces the reliability data. Built in Sunderland, the most productive car plant in UK manufacturing history. A quality control record that fleet operators and independent mechanics have documented across decades of real-world ownership. The same plant, the same standards, consistently, starting from £28,745. 15 years of UK sales dominance means resale values hold stronger than almost any rival in the segment. Mechanics recommend the Qashqai not because it is the most interesting SUV on this list. They recommend it because the data left them no other conclusion. Number 3. The Suzuki S-Cross Hybrid. Every list of reliable SUVs features the same Japanese and Korean names. Suzuki never appears. That is not because the data excludes it. It is because the automotive press consistently overlooks a brand that mechanics have quietly trusted for years while everyone else was buying into badge prestige. Suzuki finished in the top 5 most reliable brands in the 2025 UK reliability rankings. The S-Cross mild hybrid is the specific model mechanics point to when asked for a no-drama, low-cost family SUV that will not appear on their ramp uninvited. A car that automotive journalists dismiss as unexciting, and mechanics consistently buy with their own money. That disconnect tells you everything about who actually understands long-term ownership. The 1.4-litre booster jet mild hybrid avoids every complex system that generates expensive failures. No fully integrated hybrid battery pack to replace. No sophisticated EV architecture requiring specialist diagnostic equipment. A conventional petrol engine with light electrification that any independent garage in the UK can service without a second thought. Mechanics understand the mechanicals completely. Parts arrive immediately. Labour times are short. The ownership cost equation works at every mileage. Suzuki's parts sharing philosophy means components cost a fraction of European equivalents. All-grip 4-wheel drive is available across the range. Genuine winter and light off-road capability that most compact SUVs at this price point cannot match without expensive optional extras. Starting from £24,999. The S-Cross is the SUV that never generates headlines and never generates workshop drama. For mechanics, those two facts are the same recommendation. Number 2, the Hyundai Santa Fe 2018 to 2024. One of only 4 cars across every category in What Car 2025 Reliability Survey to achieve a perfect 100% reliability rating. A perfect score, shared with the Toyota GR Yaris, the Hyundai i10 and the Kia EV3. 4 cars across 227 models and 32,493 owners. Santa Fe is one of them. UK mechanics who work on premium 7-seaters describe the same conversation happening repeatedly. A customer walks in wanting a large family SUV with 7 seats and genuine towing capability. The mechanic runs through the ownership data. The Land Rover Discovery's 40% fault rate. The repair bills exceeded £1,500. The weeks without a car. Then they point at the Santa Fe because it delivers the same 7 seats and towing capability with a reliability record that no Land Rover can argue with. Hyundai's 5-year unlimited mileage warranty covered this generation fully. The Santa Fe's mechanical identity with the Kia Sorento means the combined parts availability, garage knowledge and service infrastructure of both models supports every stage of ownership. Independent garages across the UK know these cars. Parts are inexpensive. Repair times when something does go wrong are short. Used examples of the 2018 to 2024 generation are now available from £18,000 to £30,000 across UK classifieds. A perfect 100% reliability rating at used SUV money. Mechanics spotted this years ago. The buyers following the data rather than the badge are catching up fast. Number 1, the Toyota CHR Hybrid. Every car on this list earned its place with data. This one earned the top spot with something rarer, a decade of real-world UK ownership, confirming what the survey numbers keep saying. The Toyota CHR Hybrid scored 98% in the 2025 Honest John Satisfaction Index. CarWow's 2026 Reliable SUV rankings place it among the top recommendations specifically for dependability. And the mechanics who see every fault pattern across every brand describe the CHR's service history the same way every time. The only things mechanics ever replace on these are oil filters and tyres. The 1.8-litre hybrid system is the direct descendant of technology Toyota has been refining since 1997. No turbocharger, no complex multi-speed automatic transmission, no diesel architecture. UK mechanics describe servicing the CHR as the closest experience to working on a 1990s Japanese car in terms of fault frequency. A statement that sounds like nostalgia. In the context of modern SUV ownership, it is the highest possible compliment. Real-world fuel economy of 50 to 55 miles per gallon in mixed UK driving, confirmed across multiple owner surveys. Toyota's 10-year extendable warranty activated free at every dealer service. A car that costs almost nothing to fuel and almost nothing to repair produces a total ownership cost argument that no competitor at the same price point can construct. New from £32,495. Used 2018 to 2022 examples widely available from £12,000 to £20,000. The CHR is not the SUV mechanics recommend because it excites them. It is the SUV they recommend because it never interrupts their weekend. That is the only endorsement that matters.